Saved your computer's performance test results from UserBenchmark and ended up with a UBM file? This contains your benchmark scores and system information. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, view, and share these UserBenchmark results files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming. And it features my favorite single UBM file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. A UBM file stores the results from a performance test run using the UserBenchmark software. Users create these files to save a snapshot of their computer's hardware performance, including CPU, GPU, and drive speeds. The primary intent is to share these results online or compare them against other systems. The UBM file is a proprietary, likely binary or structured text format designed to be compact and easily shareable. It encapsulates all the collected performance metrics and system hardware identifiers. This design allows the UserBenchmark website to parse the file and display the results in a standardized graphical format. For the UBM file type, UserBenchmark from UserBenchmark is a trusted and reliable source. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows offers limited insight into these files, so interpretation relies on the application that generated them. Open the context menu by right-clicking your UBM file and choosing Open With. Try UserBenchmark first, as it's the standard. If it doesn't appear, choose another application and continue testing compatibility. If the UBM file is still giving you trouble, relax. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact UBM error. First, opening with UserBenchmark. Launch the UserBenchmark application on the same computer or transfer it to another Windows system with UserBenchmark installed. Use the application's load results function to open the UBM file. The interface displays detailed scores, hardware specifications, and comparative analysis, matching what was originally generated during the benchmark run. Next, viewing online. UBM files often correspond to online results pages on userbenchmark.com. And open the UBM file in a text editor to find the result URL or unique identifier embedded within the data. Visit the corresponding URL on userbenchmark.com to view the formatted results page with full comparisons and recommendations for system performance. Finally, sharing results. Email the UBM file to technical support technicians or post on hardware forums for performance troubleshooting assistance. The recipient can open the file in UserBenchmark for detailed analysis or compare against their own systems. Alternatively, share the online results URL, which provides the same information through a web browser without requiring software installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.